Hi there, welcome to the Complete Python course. My name is Jose and I'll be your instructor. I'm a software engineer at one of Scotland's leading software companies. And after teaching tens of thousands of students in Udemy, I've also founded the company Teclado to bring software development learning to everyone. This course will take you from beginner to expert in Python easily and smartly. We've crafted all the content to be concise and straightforward while never leaving you confused. So why learn Python at all? Over the last few years, Python has become more and more popular, booming in the job market. Python is extremely popular for many things like data science, web development, home automation, and much more. Python is one of the most loved programming languages and also the most wanted language, according to recent industry surveys. If people are not using Python already, they want to start using Python. This course will make it easy for you to learn Python and get ahead of the masses. So who is this course for? For beginners who've never programmed before but want to start learning Python. Or for programmers coming in from other languages who want to kickstart their Python programming. Finally, it's also really good for Python programmers who want to brush up on their skills and really get proficient using Python. I'll give you a quick overview of the course. We'll dive right into Python. The tools presented in this course means you don't have to worry about installing anything in your computer until you are comfortable with Python. That means we can be productive right from the start. You'll have lifetime access to over 100 lectures covering all aspects of Python, from the foundations to advanced concepts in a clear and concise manner. And each lecture includes a screencast video and also complete written notes and code for you to read and refer back to as you progress through the course. Videos are interactive, with pauses for you to think and write code. And also there's quizzes and tests all along the way for you to check your understanding. We also have a number of milestone projects for you to complete as you go through the course. These provide a challenge and an opportunity for you to apply what you've learned. We always go over the code after to show you how we would tackle them. This course teaches not just Python, but also common pitfalls and best practices, including how to make your code Pythonic, that's looking like professional code, object-oriented programming, database interactions, and much more. By the way, something that differentiates us from other courses is the amount of help and support that we provide each student. In the last year alone, we've answered over 3,000 student questions. We don't leave a single question unanswered. This is the best investment you can make in your Python journey. But don't let me be the one to tell you that. Enroll in the course today, and you'll have 30 days to change your mind and get your money back with absolutely no questions asked. And you'll get to keep all of the course notes and code as a thank you for trying the course out. Check out the next video for a full curriculum overview of the entire course. But don't wait. Join the course and begin coding in Python today.